Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to track your credit utilization ratio on Credit Karma. So let's get straight into it. First off, the credit utilization ratio is the percentage of available credit being used, and it is calculated by dividing total credit card balances by total credit limits. So now that we have an understanding of that, let me show you how to track credit utilization ratio on Credit Karma. What you got to do is to log into your Credit Karma account, and then you want to click the credit report tab, and then scroll to the credit account section, and then view your credit utilization ratio for each credit account and overall. Now, for a couple of features of Credit Karma credit utilization ratio, the first, of course, is the credit utilization ratio tracking. So Credit Karma tracks your credit utilization ratio over time. There's also the alerts and notifications, so you can set up alerts and notifications to inform you when your credit utilization ratio exceeds a certain threshold. Now, for personalized recommendations, you can receive personalized recommendations to help you optimize your credit utilization ratio. So a couple of tips I got for you guys today is the first is to monitor credit utilization ratio regularly. So you got to regularly check your credit utilization ratio to ensure it's within a healthy range. The second, of course, is to keep credit utilization ratio below 30%. So you want to aim to keep your credit utilization ratio below 30% for optimal credit health. You could also pay down debts. So you want to pay down debts to reduce the credit utilization ratio and improve the overall credit score. Also, you want to avoid new credit inquiries. You want to make sure you avoid applying for new credit cards or loans, as this can negatively impact credit utilization ratio. So that's all for the video, guys. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found the video useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.